Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to go over how to use pivot tables and how you can check to see if it's giving you the information that you think it's giving you. So I've got sales information here. I'm going to put a filter on this because that's how I'm going to check the pivot table. So then I will go to Insert Pivot Table. I'll just take the defaults, puts it on a different page, and I'll do sales for the value, city, and fish for the filter. So let's just take a look at halibut, how much went to each city. So we can see that 1520 went to Denver and of halibut. So let's just go over here. We'll filter to halibut. So then we're only looking at halibut. Then we'll filter to Denver. And we can see that there are 2 shipments to Denver. The sum of the sales is 1520. And we can highlight those. And down here, we can see the total is 1520. We can also put a subtotal there. And that totals it up. So that proves that Denver is what we think it is in this pivot table. Los Angeles for halibut, we'll just go back here and we'll go to Los Angeles. We can see that's 3027. We can even highlight those, 3027. And then we can check it against this, 3027. So I've filtered it by halibut, and I'm showing it by city, and I can check here. So that's, I use the filter to check if the information that I think I'm getting out of a pivot table is correct. It can get tricky when you're dealing with a lot of information, and it's always good to double check. And so that's how you can make sure that you're getting the information that you want out of a pivot table. Thank you for watching.